So I'm if you're interested. Alright, so this is the cane that morning chats. Happy Thursday to y'all. Yeah, wash out my little handbag. There's some handbag you can use brush on them or you just have to just wipe them off. The white part pan it to turn brown. So, yeah, wash off all the dirt off right. So you can catch back the original white color. Alright. This it. So the material inside the suitcase, it's wipeable, so it's soon dry. So, and the bag over there, so pin it on the line. Fried dumpling. This is some leftover boiled dumplings, so they're fried. So check me putting all of them one time because it was all like two dumplings that was left over. Yeah. Alright, let's turn over the dumplings. Alright, everybody turn. So this is it, fried dumpling with ackee. Here's some leftover ackee chat. Let's say y'all barely see me use fork and eat, but in certain circumstances, I have to use fork. I couldn't use spoon pan this, but I would kill them. Almost boom. One thing that me gonna eat like somebody come beg me. And that's what me eat.
All he wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Alright, chat, let's play some checkers. Newbie, amateur, season, or semi-pro? Semi-pro. So let's go. Let's see if I can win this one shot. Let's see. Okay, my turn again. Alright. Bam. Okay, good. My turn. Okay. What did I just do? I was still can win this one, shucks. Now it's your face. Let's go up. So I have 6 men on the board. The opposite side has like 7. Alright. I'm gonna win this one. Going up, we're going up. Okay. Bam. And bam. Why are you running? Stay still. Oh, so it's my turn again. Okay. Bam. Bam. Opposite player now has 3 men on the board and I have 6. I'm not playing. Come on. King me. I'm gonna keep you in 9. Good. Alright. Got you where I want you. Bam. You're done, bro. Let me sit right here. Bam. Okay. Let's come down the hill. Alright, you stay right there. Let's get some more crumbs. Okay, let's stay right there. Damn, he's just moving back and forth. Okay. Keep on moving back and forth. There we go. Time to go. Come on. Surrender, bro. I won. Hey. Alright, so this is the cane that we brought up. So I'm gonna take out some. So I'm eating already. So this is dessert. Some sweet sugar cane. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Chat the sugar cane sweet. Fresh. Good. St. Elizabeth sugar cane.